So, very good morning here on Breaking News. Just a couple of hours ago, we were live with Virgin Galactic Fridays. And as of this morning, even though it's a Saturday and you are enjoying your beautiful weekend, we want to be informed what it means, what is coming up on us, right? And if we are looking into those headlines, every single day now we are seeing, the health crisis is rolling over once again, right? So we see sharply rise in US Midwest. The WHO is concerned about Europeans' outbreak as the beds are near capacity. So as you can see, there's a lot of pressure, right, for the market. Now, why we don't see, a crash or a big correction right now? So it seems that the market still sees the whole situation as controlled, right? The governments, in my personal opinions, show already that they have now experience. They make, curfews in specific cities or areas and don't make a full lockdown, but just, make the bars closed, for example, or make the curfew starting at 9 p.m. or at 11 p.m., like, for example, in Germany. So as you can see, all of that happening in a kind of controlled way. So I believe, is there a correction coming? Maybe. All right. But there's definitely not a crash coming like it was in March. So I think we'll see a collapsing stock market once again, because we are having stock market crashes because people are uncertain and pulls their money out. Same for hedge funds, same for big entities and institutions. And if we are having now such a peak, we are very close also to good news. What does it mean? So let's say, France and Europe says now we have the peak of the numbers, so they make those actions, and obviously those actions are having some, results, right? Which will be, the bending of the curve and flatten the curve. And once this news hits the market and the outlet, then we will see that the market will appreciate that. So I think we are just a couple of days away from good news on these topics as well. So maybe it's a good, interesting a way to see it, and I hope I will be right. But let's see the next days how it really goes. There's a lot of things happening: election, stimulus, second wave. So as you can see, so many things are happening, and I'm quite interested how this all will be played out. Now let's have a further look into the and obviously, remdesivir also just recently they said that it has little to no effect. Obviously, this, fueled further the concerns as well. But again, we didn't saw a rallying market, but we also didn't saw a crashing market, right? So in both ways, we are somehow kind of waiting for the situation, how it's further develop. And here we go for the second channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do this. I'm posting there every single day as well. Wolf of Dubai 2. Then we having Twitter back and forth, first really deleting a New York Post story about Biden. Then obviously this got more promo, and now the story is back, and they said it was a mistake. So I don't know what they are doing there, but they are, going back and forth at Twitter. Plus they had an outage just a couple of days ago where the people just, said, okay, we will definitely go out of we cannot use Twitter. So somehow they had some, I think, server problems or something like that. So not that great week for Twitter, and I think a lot of those Twitter guys are just in the mood of the weekend right now. So further than that, we are having the iPhone 12. Have you already ordered your iPhone 12? Because it is already orderable, right? So I ordered mine already. If you haven't seen it, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I posted it there. I think it's one of the phones where you are thinking, should I really order it? It doesn't have a lot of innovation, but I need a new phone, so I ordered it, and the color obviously is very nice. But it comes without the charger. Where is it? Here we go. So it comes without the charger, so you need to order the charger by yourself if you don't have a USB-C charger. But on the other side, it's interesting because it makes the packaging, I think, 50% smaller, so they can put, I think, 30% more phones on a shipping order. So this is obviously, helping them with shipping pricing and logistic pricing, especially now in this health crisis. The logistics got a little bit more expensive, I guess. So this is definitely helping Apple to make even more profit. Now, despite this health crisis, Europe's fund industry has enjoyed net inflows in 2020. So more people put money into funds than pulled out, and therefore this is obviously a good sign as well, which is just fueling the idea that somehow we will continue to rally on the stock market. Then for all the Boeing investors, guys, I don't know if you are invested into Boeing, but the 737 MAX is now safe to fly again, according to European aviation regulators. They are happy with the development and allowing now to fly the Boeing 737 MAX. And unfortunately, very, very bad story with this airplane because of two crashes, until finally, they had to make some action. And now it's, according to European standards, apparently back to be safe again, which is fantastic. Then I saw something that is also very interesting, which is Buffett. Warren Buffett, usually he invests and he's holding as much and as long as possible. And sometimes he decides to go out of positions, and this giving the market signals to definitely sell the stock that he is selling as well. And this is actually happening right now with Wells Fargo, the US bank, the bank that had a lot of scandals in the last couple of years. And it seems that Buffett is on the edge to exit the whole trade or the whole investment. So this is obviously, this will spike some sell activity in Wells Fargo for sure. Then Amazon is just keep on rising, okay? So keep on growing. I mean, the nice thing about the whole Amazon thing that Amazon is a stock that you can hold and buy all the time, because they just keep on growing and growing and growing. And I think going now into the holiday season, obviously you will see a further growth in a record quarter for Amazon, and you can see nicely, and this is another nice factor that you can look into when you look into companies. How is the job offering on the website, on their listings? If they have very much jobs to offer, then obviously they are growing, and this you do across the board. You can check the listings at Amazon, check the listings at Virgin Galactic, and then you see how much and in which direction the company is growing. So this is always an interesting way to look into companies as well. And that's pretty much it, I guess. So make sure to follow me also on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny. Very easy. You can do it right now and enjoy further content there about not only stocks, but the overall wolf life in Dubai. And moreover, make sure to thumb up this live stream. This is always highly appreciated. And even though it's weekend, I have obviously a brand new vlog later on for you. And I would be very happy if you just stay on the channel, check out my other videos. I have so much content that you will be very, very much entertained. And I love you guys. Stay safe and healthy and have the best Saturday of your whole life.